with some colleagues. It was the very first time they crossed to come and see our premises here. It took years, but we built some trust together, and it's very beautiful. We can collaborate on same projects together. Hello, I'm Yaprak Özyalçin. I'm the owner of MOS Glass. MOS Glass is a glass processing factory established in 2001, and we are located in Miamilia region, Nicosia. We are focused on architectural glass production, and we have been trading through Green9 for more than 13 years now. We are processing and producing insulated glass units, popularly known as double glazing, triple glazing, as well as facades and balustrades and some furniture glass. And we are also processors or more sophisticated products such as tempered glass, where we can heat treat glass up to 800 degrees Celsius and toughen glass. So we can also produce some safety and security glass here. And we are producing laminated glass. We have some smart glass production, which we are very proud of. We are currently operating in a 2,500 meter square plant. By the end of next year, we are doubling our capacity. A new factory is being built at the moment. Our premises are solar powered. We have the IREC certification and trying to lower our carbon footprint. By the time Green9 Trade was established in 2004, construction was booming in both parts, and there was a regional shortage of glass, so it was hard to import processed glass products for the whole island, actually, which created a huge gap in the market for architectural glass products. So we have seen this both as an opportunity for growing our business and areas of operation, and to discover ways of working together with colleagues across the Green9. Once we started trading through the Green9, we've met both end users, clients, and also with colleagues. And in some projects, we've partnered with our colleagues across the Green9. And that was a different and valuable experience for us, as we saw we are facing similar challenges in production in some terms, and it was also a good experience to share our experiences and knowledge, especially on the high-tech products we are producing with the colleagues across the Green9. We also do face some challenges. The first thing is there's not enough information about the documentation needed to pass products through Green9. The changes can't be communicated on time. We think this is a matter of communication, but it is a huge problem for us because we deliver for the projects. Being unable to have the documentation ready on the crossing points might lead to longer waiting periods, thus we can't deliver on time, and this is a huge limitation for us at the moment. In such cases where we can't have the documentation ready on time, it creates problems both for us and our clients as we deliver for projects. We have long waiting periods in the Metehan crossing, as it is not focused on use for trade, and it is also not safe to queue with our huge trucks on the Metehan crossing. So we would suggest another crossing point in Miamilia region, maybe focus specifically on Green9 trade and operating specifically on products that are being traded. Another challenge we are facing is accepting payment from our clients, as we cannot open commercial bank accounts operating in South at the moment, although it should be legally possible. But most of the time, payments need to be carried through in cash, with installments at the maximum cash amount allowed to pass through the crossing, which is also not pleasant for our clients and partners. So we think these are the areas that we need to work on to improve our trade across the Green9. For trading across the Green9, one has to find the areas of demand for both parts of the island. Building trust would be a more vital part in Green9 trade, as in our case, most people are not so familiar with this form of trading, and there is limited knowledge on production and purchasing capacities of both parties. So whatever you do, try to meet your clients and partners in person and try to develop a mutual understanding. This is going to be vital, as there are still very important problems waiting to be solved in Green Line regulations. Together with a trade checkpoint, heavy trucks should be able to cross the Green Line, and we think this is going to help elevate the trading process together with our partners. We are collaborating across the Green Line, and we would like to expand our production and collaboration overseas, not just across the island, together with our partners, both in north and south of the island.